everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are solving the LeetCode question number 27, the remove element. So this question is tagged easy. So now let's start with the problem understanding. So the problem is given here that given an integer array and an integer value and we want to remove all occurrence of the value in place and return the k. The count of element not equals to value. The first k element of the nums must hold those remaining element. So understand the question. Here you can see the example is given that the nums is 3, 2, 2, 3 and the value is 3. So we want to remove those 3 from here and we want to return the all others in these and we want to return the value of k. The k will be the 2 because we have written two values here. So the what will be the approach here? So first the brute force will be the switch the element to the left every time the value is found. So the complexity will be the big O of n square. But the optimal solution use a two pointer technique. So what is the two pointer here? The fast pointer and a small slow pointer. The keep a slow pointer k that track the right position. So it will write the element in this and the fast pointer I will scan every element. The, whenever we get the nums of I does not equal to value, then we will write that the nums that the value into the k and we will increment the k and otherwise we will not do anything. So the what will be the algorithm here? So first of all initialize the uh, pointer k is equal from the 0 and loop the fast pointer I from 0 to n minus 1. So if the nums of I does not equal to value, then assign that uh, n nums of k is equal to nums of I and they increment the k and skip when the nums of I is equal to value. We will do nothing when we get the nums of I is equal to value and at last we will return the k. Hope you understand this. So let's write the code here. What will be the approach? First we will initialize and so pointer k is equal to 0 from the initial value 0. Now we will iterate to a for loop. We will assign a second pointer I. This is the first pointer from the I should be the less than nums dot size and will increment the I. The condition will be the if we get the nums of I will be that does not equal to the value given, then we will return of k plus plus will increment and they add here only what we will store the nums of I value. We'll store the nums of I value and at last we will return the k. So this is the one line code. If we run it and see the test case are the pass and now let's submit and check what is the complexity and what is the runtime. So the runtime is a 0 millisecond. So hope you understand this solution. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and thank you guys.